Hello, welcome back to another video, and yeah, it's Super Awesome Girl Keeper here. So yeah,
What's this?
how do you?
Cute.
Okay, by the way, I forgot to mention that my friend is here. It's a special guest, I guess. Well, yeah, she doesn't really know what Rubik's Cube is, and then there's another guest.
Rubik's Cube. Yeah. So that's what this is. How do you not know what a Rubik's Cube is?
And my other friend knows a lot. And then I have my brother here who
Looks like there's a bunch of them.
doesn't really know what.
This
Oh my
one.
god! It's a Rubik's Cube. Pretty much what it does is it has like colors and it's like turned. Okay, people like solve it
Oh, I get it now. So you mix it up, and then you have to try and solve it later, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
And I don't know why my brother's trying to put it in front for people to see the camera because I don't know. Okay, so yeah, but you have to like mix it up like hard, like not just like that, like literally, like not just like not just like that, like yo.
That's like this. Like this.
Like that. Yeah, like that. Good job. Okay.
Hey, I'm gonna start mixing up some other cubes for you to.
So it's like this, not like something else. Like it's just a cube, okay?
I mixed it up. I don't know what to do.
Wow. Of course you don't know what to do. You don't even know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay.
Well, there are many other Rubik's Cubes here. Like the 5x5. 5x5 Rubik's Cube.
Like this one. Yeah, like that one.
And the 3x3.
Yeah, thank you.
And the 2x2.
Okay, there. Now you're getting to know Rubik's Cubes. They're just things that turn and weird cubes, or sometimes they're not so
What about
much
this
cubes. This is called the Rubik's Bear, and it's like
Yeah, here's
that.
the hexagon.
Yo, it's not a hexagon.
Whatever it is.
It's a mega mix. So yeah, and there are different types of tiles and different types of brands. This is called the clock, the Rubik's clock. So you like try to make all of these hands go the right way. So yeah.
No.
Yo, how do you not know?
Sorry.
This is what she said was a Rubik's Cube.
I'm just joking, okay?
This is obviously not a Rubik's Cube.
There's also this Rubik's Cube.
Ooh.
No.
Where? Yeah, of course that Rubik's Cube.
Then there's also this one.
It's a void cube. That Rubik's Cube is the one I got at a competition I went to, and then
We have the mini ones.
And then there's also,
We have the destroyed one.
and then that's the mini cube. It looks kind of big. Wait, hold it still for a second. There you go. And then
We got a 2x2.
well, it's not a 2x2. It's actually a 1x1
Here's
by
a
2,
2x2.
and then that's a 2x2. That's my
And here's
name.
another 2x2.
Yeah, that's another 2x2.
And here's this sort of interesting star.
It's called a square one. So yeah, it's called a square one. So yeah.
There's also this one.
And there's also all of those that my brother just took out of where it was.
There's also this
And
one.
I hope you've enjoyed this video, right? Everybody enjoyed this video, and make sure to stay tuned for more videos.
Goodbye!
And make sure to subscribe to this channel.
And
because
goodbye!
we have a lot of videos.
Yeah, and
almost every week.
bye!
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Peace.